Hello students, I am Amardeep Pandey from Ambition Classes. Students, today I will deliver lecture on dimensional analysis. So let us see. Students, our question is this. The velocity of a sound wave through a medium. The velocity of sound wave through a medium depends on the density of the medium, the modulus of elasticity. Deduce the formula for velocity of the sound. Students, we can derive the formula for velocity of sound with the help of the third application of dimension analysis. Okay students, so firstly we have to write on what factor does the velocity of sound depends. So velocity of sound firstly depends upon V proportional to density of the medium, and let it be D, so D power A. And secondly it depends on elasticity of the medium, so let it be E power D. On combining these two, we get what we get? V proportional to D power A and E power B. After that, removing the sign of proportionality, we will have a constant K, B proportional to A, E proportional to B. So this is our required equation. After this, we have to know the dimension of density and we have to know the dimension of modulus of elasticity. Okay students, modulus of elasticity means stress upon strain. Modulus of elasticity means stress upon strain. So E equals to stress upon strain. So stress, what do you mean by stress? Stress is force upon area. And strain is dimensionless. So strain is dimensionless, let us leave that. So what we will have? Force is ml t power minus 2 and area is L square. So we will take the denominator to the numerator and we will get ml inverse 1, ml inverse t power minus 2. So this is the dimension of elasticity, modulus of elasticity. And what is density? Density means mass upon volume. And what is mass? Mass is m, volume is L cube. So ml power minus 3. This is the dimensional analysis of density. So we will write this. Here we will writing dimensions on both sides. So we will write the dimensions on both sides, and dimension of velocity is distance upon time, so it is LT, so it is distance upon time. So after that we will write this dimension of velocity LT inverse. L is the distance and T is the time. And for density we will write ml inverse 3. And for elasticity, modulus of elasticity, we have to write what we have derived the formula for modulus of elasticity. Modulus of elasticity is ml inverse t power minus 2. ml inverse t power minus 2. So we will write this here it is A and here it is B. After this we will solve this. What we will get? L t power minus 1, this one, and K is dimensionless constant, so we have to leave this constant. After that what we will get here? M power A, here L power minus 3A, and in this bracket we will get M power B, L power minus B, and T power minus 2B. After this we will combine this whole, so it will be, what will be? M power A plus B and L minus 3A, L power minus 3A minus B. After that T power minus 2B. So this is what we are getting. confusion? RT power minus 1. Sorry. RT power minus 1. Minus 1. So we have to equate this L power minus 3b. Here it's okay, students. We will equate this equation. So what we will get here? Here LT power minus 1, and after this, on comparing this on both sides, what we will get? We will get a plus b equals to 0, minus 3a minus b equals to 1, and minus 2b equals to minus 1. So we will solve this, and we will get here b equals to 1 by 2. B equals to 1 by 2. When b equals to 1 by 2, then a equals to minus 1 by 2. A equals to minus 1 by 2. So we have got a and b. That's all. We have got a and b. So we will put here in this equation. We will get b equals to k. What about density? Density power a. So density d square root d, and sorry, it's minus 1 by 2. So it will be here minus d, and b power 1 by 2, so square root e. So b equals to square root e upon d. K is dimensionless constant, it can be equals to 1. So this is the required formula, students. So what I have said that what is the question? The velocity of sound wave v through a medium depends on the density of the medium. Secondly, it depends upon the modulus of elasticity. So we will write like this: v proportional to d power a and v proportional to e power b. After that, on combining these two, we get v proportional to this much equation. So we will write the dimension on both sides, and we will get like this. After solving this, we will get the formula v equals to square root e upon d. So this is the required formula for velocity of sound. Okay, students? Oh.